video I recorded for this one. This one it looks very awesome in the top.
Hey guys, today we are taking flight from Salem to Chennai. When it is raining, while you are about to take your flight, they provide individual umbrella for each passengers from the waiting lounge to the flight. This flight is about to take off 17:10 and lands at 18:05, about 55 minutes in Chennai Airport Terminal 1. For each passenger, you can able to carry 15 kg of baggage. In cabin, you can carry about 7 kg luggage. In total, 15 plus 7 you can carry with you.
We are committed to making your journey hassle-free and comfortable. Your cooperation with crew instruction helps us provide you a pleasant journey.
We are about to take off now. This is cheapest domestic flight, costs around 3400 INR, whereas the legroom is not that good. This is too much of noise. Even inside the cabin it feels terrible noisy. This is how the cheapest flight makes noise inside the cabin also. The air conditioner system is also very terrible, blowing out warm air, making us more uncomfortable. When your eardrum is already blowing up, this too makes really uncomfortable. This is a piece of shit. And the bus is good to travel, while you are taking domestic cheap flights, it makes you uncomfortable more. The only difference it makes is you can travel within an hour, while the bus travels more than 6 hours to Chennai. Because time is more valued than money, that's why I have traveled this domestic flights. I hope you can hear this terrible noise through the video. This is how it feels inside the cabin. About 1 hour I was in the same situation. It feels very frustrated and uncomfortable. This was the view after few minutes of takeoff. As you see through the window is also not that clear. You can see the visible scratches over the window. You can see only the scratched views. And this is the view after few more minutes. This is how it looks. The sun is about to set. Looks very nice. After 42 or 43 minutes, we are approaching Chennai. But I wonder how the sea is coming before even I go to Chennai. You can see there is a big container carrying ship is going there. Even before going to Chennai, how I can see the ocean, I don't know. Anyways, we are again seeing the land portions. Within few minutes, we are going to land now. We are approaching Chennai Airport, Domestic Terminal 1. This is how it lands, with a bump. Feels little fear. We are approaching Chennai Airport, Domestic Terminal 1. After 48 minutes of irritating travel, I am in Chennai. Subscribe Sabrokers for more experience like this.